First off, was this photo taken in 1976? This is the most low quality image I have ever seen in my entire life. Also, why is there so many waffles in your freezer? Also, why is there all of this action? You got all of this action? Then you got all of this action. What are you doing? Is that leftover dookie on those eggs? Chat, what is this? Yo, is this leftover dookie? You didn't even wash the eggs. What are you doing? It's a speckled egg. There's no such thing as a speckled egg. Stop trying to sound scientific, buddy. Like what? Oh, it's a speckled egg. There's no such thing as